Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to add controller and model. Also, we will execute this control. So this is our .NET Core API project. So here we have one controller folder. Now we need to add one model folder. In this model, we need to add one class file. Get employee model. So this is my employee details model. Use this is my properties. Properties in the sense which type of employee details you are fetching. So this is my ID, name, department, and email. Just save it. Now I need to add one controller. If you see, there are two types of controller, API and MUSE. This is our API project. For that reason, you select API and add API controller empty. Just add it. If you click on add, then the default value is values. Now we need to add employee. Now our employee controller is added. If you see, this is our attribute routing. The route is API slash controller. So controller means your controller name like employee, and API controller is added by default. So now I need to add one method. So I am adding one method inside the controller like get employee details. This is my model definition. Now I need to execute this controller. So if you see, inside this controller we are sending this hard coded data. Let's execute this. See, this is my employee controller. Inside that we have a one get method, API employee get employee detail. This is my attribute routing. API employee is a controller name and get employee details. This is my method. If you want to execute this, just try it now and just click on execute. If you see, this is my JSON response. Okay. Now, if you want to debug this controller, then use this localhost URL. Go to your project. This is just add a breakpoint. Now go to the Postman and just click send. See, this is your debugger point, and if you see how many counts are there, you can debug in this way. So I hope you learn how to add a controller models, how to execute this controller. So this is your API response in JSON format. So you can test in Swagger as well. And if you want to debug the API, then you can use Postman. Okay. I hope you understand how to add controller model and how to execute the controller and how to debug the controller. Thank you guys.